Tactile reading, architecture. Voice, Aldo Grassini, President. Tactile exploration of the Dome of Florence, wooden volumetric model, 28 centimeters high, and tactile exploration of the cupola in section architectural model, scale 1 to 75. These architectural models are very useful to better understand an architecture. They are very important, but not sufficient, because an architecture is not like a postcard or a painting that people can look at it. An architectural work also performs a function that can be fully understood only by entering it. So it is a building where we must enter and experience it with all available tools and all our senses. I think that architecture is definitely the most multisensory art genre there is. This is a volumetric model. In order to have a good understanding and comprehension of an architectural work, it is convenient, if possible, to have both the volumetric model and also the more detailed one. In this case, the volumetric model doesn't have much details, but it immediately gives us the idea of the building's structure. In this way, we can see the church's body, the upper dome, where it is installed, and we can also understand the volumetric proportions between these parts. From this open section, we can explore by touch the interior of the dome as well, and therefore have a clear picture of its composition. From this point of view, exploring through the open section the interior of the dome, we can perfectly understand its structure. I think that it is also very interesting, moving this way, for example, to see firsthand and touch this extraordinary monument, which is actually made of two domes, one inside the other, separated and at the same time held together by this structure that reminds me of the structure of a boat. It conveys stability and enough strength to the dome, but at the same time it lightens its weight. At that time, engineers said that such a big dome wouldn't have held its own weight. Brunelleschi instead succeeded to create a self-supporting dome of this size that after 600 years it's still alive and well. Monica Bernacchia, Damiano Boriani, idea and coordination, Nastasia Pescatore, subtitles and translations, Gamma Presscom, filming and editing. Voiceover, Greta Sturm. The accessible version of this video was realized with the collaboration of Rai Pubblica Utilità. AIS interpreter Devi Mariotti.